Good morning. Today we're driving in the Kanchanaburi area, but we're leaving the city and we're heading towards Psoyak National Park. I thought I'd do a little bit of footage of the roads, as a few people have requested what the roads are like and how it is to drive here. I will do a little bit of that for you. So today we have about a 200-kilometre drive from Kanchanaburi to a beautiful lake in the Psoyak National Park. As you can see, the roads are really quite good. It's a rural road. Looks like there's only one way in and one way out for about 150 k's. As you can see, it's all very civilised, and the roads are in far better condition than they are in the UK, that's for sure. And personally, I think driving in Bangkok isn't that bad either. It's a bit like driving in London, only with less of an attitude. Everybody's more polite and friendly. I think driving here is much more relaxed than driving in Europe. People are so much more chilled out and friendly. And even though sometimes it looks like complete and utter chaos, it still seems to work. And maybe them there hills that we will be driving into shortly. Sitting in the hotel lobby, enjoying a nice cup of coffee. And it's 35 degrees outside, so we're going off for a little stroll in a moment to go and find some lunch, because I'm starving. Haven't eaten since yesterday. I know that was a lot from the food market, but still, I'm hungry. I like food. This is a view from the veranda of the hotel. Now I'll just show you a quick view of our room. Just a quick look at the room. Huge bed. Let's give it a bed test. Oh, quite hard. And we've got a little balcony. It's quite nice. Overlooking the car park. The rooms overlooking the river were 3 times as much as these. And as I can go and sit outside just down there, look. I'm going to go and sit right there and save a few quid. Just came across this lovely little cafe by the lake, so thought we'd stop for a little drink. Be rude not to. Strawberry soda right by the lake. Looking beautiful. Really pretty gardens. Absolutely beautiful. We're on top of the dam at the moment. It's pretty impressive. Apparently there's monkeys up there. Let's hope we don't see any of those. Not a fan. Well, literally spoke too soon. But he looks quite sweet. From a distance. I do love the warning that comes with the monkeys. They hate everybody. Hi, I just wanted to drop a quick note here to say that I then spent the next 4 days in bed with the flu, feeling absolutely dreadful. We extended the hotel stay for 4 nights because we just couldn't get out of bed. I'm not quite sure what it was, probably a virus from the plane, but feeling a lot better now and finally on the mend and able to carry on our journey. But do feel like we've wasted a week. But hey ho, we've got plenty of time. After feeling a lot better, we decided to go and visit the giant monkey pod tree, which was enormous. Come the giant trees. It's amazing. And this is its baby sister sitting over in the corner. Still quite impressive. Back to the realities of travelling. However, washing and 3 donuts only cost €1.24. Then we came across the beautiful Krong Krawe Waterfall in rural Kanchanaburi. Here we were able to buy a nice coffee, sit back, relax and listen to the beautiful waterfall. So now we're in a town called Tak, and we're staying at a really lovely hotel which has lots of tiny log cabins. They all look like little witches' houses, and I thought it was quite cute. It's really sweet. This is the room. It's really sweet. Got a huge bed. Huge big bed. And it's a comfy bed, an actual squishy bed, which is luxury. Usual things, fridge, TV. Just love the logs for the table and chair. And then the little witchy windows. I just like the little details, like the roof, look. Tree logs for lights. So tomorrow we will be heading north to start the Mahon Song Loop. This should probably take us about 4 or 5 days. I'm not too sure. We haven't really got a plan fixed, so we'll see what happens. And we'll be doing it by car, which is a complete cardinal sin for most people. But hey ho, that's what we're doing.